us using what we get, and yeah, you're gonna come along with us to Five Below. And tell us in the comments what your favorite thing we got is. Okay?
Okay.
Make sure to leave this video a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel.
Because we're starting YouTubers.
Yes, we are. We make a lot of YouTube now.
Road to 1 mil.
Because now he can do YouTube videos on his phone. So
Road to 1 million subscribers, guys. All right. We'll see you there.
Infinity subscribers.
Okay. We'll see you there.
Bye.
Okay, guys. So we're here at Five Below, and we're walking in.
This is
We going to Subway.
David, do you think I'm gonna get sucked in the game?
No. We're going to Subway. Okay, guys. So right now we're getting Subway. My dad is going in, and we're gonna stay in the car. But yeah, we're going to get Subway, and then once we get home, we'll show you our items. We'll give you one sneak. Hey, put that back in there. We'll give you one sneak peek of something we got. One thing, we got Jumanji, the board game. It's backwards, the spelling. Here, I'll show you. We got Jumanji, the board game, and everything else we'll show you in a second. So, once we get home, we'll show you. We'll unbox it. All right, guys. So we're here, and we're about to unbox our stuff that we got. So we're gonna do Siri, pick a number between 1 and 3. Do that right now.
It's on.
All right. So basically, we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So we're back and we're ready. So basically, pick a number between 1 and 3. Okay. So you pick 2. So item 2 is these wireless headphones that I got. They're pretty nice. Wireless, good quality, Bluetooth. See Bluetooth out there. So this is item number 2. So we're gonna do that. Okay. Pick an Pick a number between 1 and 3. 3. So item 3 is Jumanji, like we showed you earlier for the sneak peek in the car. Jumanji, the board game, and on the instructions, I did not do that. It says, "Adventures beware. Do not begin unless you intend to finish," which is kind of scary. If you've seen the movie Jumanji, they don't want to finish it and whatever. So, suggest you go watch that before I spoil it. All right, guys. So that means we're left with item number 1. We finish with. And it is a.
Let me open the box.
Oh yeah, we have to open it for them. But here, let's show it. Let's show them. So it's a Bluetooth speaker, and it's LED, and it lights up and changes colors. So yeah, so we're gonna unbox them in order. So this is number 1. So Devin's gonna unbox that for us.
Yeah.
You need here. I'll take the tape off.
No, I know where it is.
All right, you
I
sure?
know where the first one is.
All right, guys. And girls.
You said guys.
I said guys and girls.
Oh, crap.
Like this one. Right here. Here, take off.
I got
You
it,
got
guys. Okay.
Nice.
No, let me take it out. Let me take it out.
This looks pretty cool. So we got this plastic thingy. Oh, and here it is. Small, nice little speaker.
And then we got this.
Why are you smelling it?
You gotta charge it to it, guys.
Oh, what's in there? Oh, the speaker. So yeah, we got this speaker, which is pretty cool. So is there any? Oh, there's the on and off button, and is there a pair button anywhere?
So I got this thingy off right now.
Oh yeah, and this is the charger.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
All right, so that's item 1, and we're gonna clean all this stuff up. So, all right, guys. Oh crap! All right, guys. So that means we're up to item 2. So the Bluetooth headphones. These look pretty cool. So I'm gonna open them right now.
Open them. This is my thingy right now.
Well, they have a little piece of tape right there that you can barely see. Some clear tape.
Where?
Right.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, you can, but you can barely see it, right?
Yeah,
you didn't see it at
it's,
first.
It's because it's white and that's white.
Yeah, it's clear. No, the tape is clear, but ow, this is hard to get off. They do a good job at Five Below packaging their stuff. Okay, we got through. I'm gonna open this bad boy up.
This is mine, and then this is my charger right here.
All right, so I opened it.
I'll be right, guys.
And here it is.
I'll be right back, guys.
Has, what is this?
Here, Mom.
Don't know what that is. It's like maybe like a cord. Oh, it's,
Charger for it.
I think that's like a charger for something. So here they are. Out of the case. Pop these things out. So here is everything. So basically this is left, this is right. Doesn't say it, but you can tell. So it goes like this. You can put this behind you and go like that. So yeah, they're pretty cool. I got these. So I'm gonna pair them to my phone, which we're filming on. So yeah, so we're gonna clean all this stuff up again. So we'll be right back.
I'm gonna take all.
Alright guys, so Devin's thing is charging.
Yeah,
And so we're gonna show you the Jumanji stuff. Hey,
Whoa.
we're gonna show you the Jumanji stuff, and
Yeah.
yeah, so
I'm opening Jumanji right now. Okay, so
put the instructions.
here's the game board. No. Let me
Open it
undo
up.
it. Here's the game board, guys.
Here.
That's the game board. And
Here it is, Jumanji, it says in the middle.
And then we got stickers here.
Stickers. There's some stickers.
And then we got this thingy. There's stuff in it. There's a rhino. We got that. And then, I don't think this is the last thing. We got some cards here.
Oh yeah, some Jumanji
Wait,
cards.
that's the guy.
Yeah, some Jumanji cards with the bad guy on the back, as you can see. And we got Jumanji right there.
So yeah, that's all.
So yeah, all right guys, we're gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.